Well, a lot of clients ask us how we put ducted air conditioning systems through these big rake ceilings. There's obviously a couple of alternatives. We've just got Tane who's going to talk about the best option that he's going to use in this house.
Yeah, it's always good to get figure out what system that you're using before you get started. Sometimes you can get, because you need a big cavity for the unit inside the ceiling, so it's good to sort of work in with the frame engineers to make sure that it's going to fit inside, because usually they use about 2 meters by 2 meters in space. But as far as the ducting, a lot of the time you have to build bulkheads. So we've started a bulkhead on this side, which just allows for 300 mil ducting to run through here, and then we'll end up having linear grates through the face of the bulkhead, so it feeds out through here. Because it's such a big volume, you need quite a bit in here. We're going to do it on both sides, so this side will get done as well. But with this one, we're going to do a recessed helmet, which is like the reverse of a bulkhead. It'll step up so that we can put hidden curtains, like your top of the tracks are all hidden underneath it in MDF.